Uy, finally, meron ng 5G device UMIDIGI, and this is the UMIDIGI G6 5G. Meron siyang 5G chip dito using the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus, 6 plus 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, 50MP ultra clear ang kanyang camera, 90Hz refresh rate, 5,000 mAh ang kanyang battery, plus may NFC pa. All of this for below 10,000 pesos. Interested? Don't go away after this quick intro. So guys, si UMIDIGI na G6 5G na merong 128 gigs of storage and 6 plus 6 gigs of RAM is currently priced at 9,999. Official link on the description box below. Now, one of the good things ito sa UMIDIGI, ang kanilang design is getting better through the years. And I've been reviewing UMIDIGI mga phones, and this one has come a long way. I love the way yung texture na din sa likod. It looks better compared sa mga previous generation niya. And dahil matte finish siya, hindi kumakapit ang mga fingerprints dito sa likod. One good thing din dito sa kanya is audio jack nandyan pa. And pag hinila mo ka ng SIM tray, hybrid siya, no? Either you can use dalawang 5G SIM, or yung isa pwede mong gamitin as a micro SD expansion up to 1 terabyte of storage. Na mapapansin mo skin na dito sa harap niya is double punch hole, meaning mukha siyang iPhone, no? And of course, dito sa ilalim, medyo makapalang kanyang baba. And nandito pa rin sa gilid ng kanyang hotkey, which is very useful. Pwede mo siya user-defined, no? Sa akin, ginawa ko pag double press, mag-on ng flashlight, and pag long press, lalabas ang camera, which is goods. Now, this one comes together with a MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus. And, well, it's not a very powerful chip, and nakakuha siya ng 312,000 points sa Antutu benchmark. Now, if you break it down, this is the score. Mababa lang naman kanyang loop score na 321 and 99% stability. CPU benchmark niya dito sa Geekbench, and GPU benchmark sa Geekbench. Nice and decent naman kanyang thermal throttling, and it throttles to 79% ng kanyang max performance. Now, ang battery nito is a 5,000 mAh na battery size, which is an industry standard. Pero ang kanyang charger is kinda slow. A 10 watts charger which can charge this too slow para sa 2024. Now, charging it for 10 watts takes you around mga 2 hours or 2 hours plus. Depende, no, sa temperature sometimes. And medyo mabagal lang ng charging capacity. Kung 18 watts lang siya or 33 watts, it could have been better. Now, on the flip side, ang battery naman nito, makunat. It can last you for 2 days without charging. And nung sinalang ko siya sa battery stress test dito sa PCMark, it gave me roughly a 15.5 hours na screen on time based on 50% brightness and 60 Hz na screen refresh rate. Now, ang kanyang display is a 6.57-inch na IPS LCD and has a 90Hz of screen refresh rate. Pero nung ginagamit ko siya directly under the sunlight, medyo kirap ako konti kasi medyo mahina ang brightness na itong screen kahit nakasagad na siya based sa experience ko. Nung nagbabrowse ako ng mga socials dito sa Facebook, sa TikTok, sa Instagram, okay naman siya. Smooth naman siya dahil mataas naman kanyang refresh rate, and probably one of the good things naman dito sa kanya, if you watch video, okay siya, matino. If you're watching your favorite shows on YouTube or probably watching the NBA Finals, kayang-kaya naman itong phone na ito. Basta nasolve ka ng bahay and not directly under the sunlight. And this one only has a level 3 na Wi-Fi security level, so meaning hindi ka makakano na HD nga pala dito. Now, I did try to play 2 games dito, Call of Duty Mobile and Farlight 84. And playing Call of Duty Mobile, okay siya. Probably not the best na na-try ko on any phone at this price point, but it was able to give me a decent gaming experience. What do I mean by decent? Meaning, hindi siya super immersive, but it can game naman, giving me a lot of kills, okay naman, and responsive naman ka ng screen. So, I would say okay naman siya. And you would really feel some minimal frame drops and lags along the way. And pinakamainit na na-achieve na dito is around 46 degrees Celsius, which is kinda hot. Now, pagdating naman sa Farlight 84, pwede ka naman mag-set ng HDR na graphics quality and high frame rate. Pero doon talaga mafe-feel mo maglalag ng gusto ang game mo. So I decided to pull it down to HD and medium frame rate. Doon medyo mas naging smoother ang aking gaming experience dito. Not the best gaming experience dito, and mafe-feel mo talaga there's really some slight na frame drops and lags along the way. Kaya maglaro ako ng VR matches for 1 hour. Hindi naman siya overtime lalong bumabagal, no? But talaga mafe-feel mo yung sluggishness na dito sa game. And yes, it heated up to 48 degrees Celsius sa base aking miles in a thermal scanner. Now, pag-usapan natin ang kanyang camera dito. The rear camera is a 50MP na main camera sensor na may kasama siyang 5MP na night vision. This one can shoot you up to 2K and 30fps. Yung kanyang front-facing camera is a 8MP na main camera sensor together with a 2MP na night vision which can shoot you up to 1080p and 30fps. That's probably the reason kung bakit mukhang iPhone ang kanyang notch. So right now guys, pag-usapan na natin ang camera performance ni UMIDIGI G6 5G. So, taking some outdoor shot, you see na dito, okay naman, no? The details are there, preserved naman siya, but it seems to me it's a little bit more yellowish than it's supposed to be. And taking a look at this truck, okay, makita mo, pag zoom in mo, all the details are really, really good. And probably, medyo a little bit more of the yellow side siya. And taking this shot, so normally, on other cameras, you'd see na medyo mas greenish siya. Pero talagang mapapansin mo, there's a little bit of the yellow shade na halatado dito sa camera ni UMIDIGI G6 5G. And further taking some shots like this one, mabilis naman siya mag-focus. One good thing dito sa kanya, but probably the only thing na hindi ko masyado gusto dito sa kanya is yung kanyang pagka-yellow shade. Kahit dito sa shot na ito, medyo yellowish din siya. Now, taking this green, medyo mas matino na yung color dito, no? Probably the ambience a while ago, hindi ganun kaganda, but itong green na ito is looking better than the green na nakita ko kanina. Even dito sa green na ito, medyo mas better, a little bit more saturated as compared sa a little bit yellow tint kanina. If you bring the camera indoors on low light, you'll be able to get in some sharp na shots, but probably pag zoom in mo, makita mo it's a little bit more of the softer side. And checking some of these beans, pag zoom in mo, okay siya, medyo yellowish talaga siya kahit sa indoor. Focusing on some shots like this, looks good, but probably hindi lang siya sobrang ganun kalinaw. Now, this shot is on a normal shot, and this is a 2x zoom shot. Okay naman siya kahit zooming in for 2x. Maganda pa rin and readable pa rin mga characters dito sa poster na ito. If you use the camera on outdoor, kahit medyo gloomy, okay naman siya. Talagang mapapansin mo halatado ang kanyang pagka-yellow tint. Kahit sa 2x zoom, ganun din siya. Now, checking camera performance for the selfie camera. Well, honestly, it's not so bad. And taking a look, pag zoom in mo, doon mapapansin na medyo soft na ang kanyang picture. Now, looking at this one, same din, medyo soft din siya. If you bring it indoors, mapapansin mo medyo okay naman siya. Maganda naman kanyang separation ng subject from the background. Except that medyo yellowish siya lang talaga ako. And another shot looks a little bit better, but medyo soft pa rin siya. If you use the front-facing camera taking this video, I would say na shaky siya and hindi siya sobrang ganun ka-clear ang kanyang video quality. If you use the rear camera, walking, makita mo medyo shaky din siya. And though medyo okay naman ang kanyang resolution, but yung shakiness niya medyo nakakahilo lang. And dahil 5G itong phone nito, tinest ko naman dito Globe and Smart. Wala naman naging problema. Probably hindi ko lang na-try dito isang dito SIM. And I'm pretty sure na kayang-kaya naman niya dito, no? Wala lang akong dito SIM on hand right now to give it a test. But si Globe and Smart is working ang kanyang 5G dito. Mabilis naman sumagam ng signal. Now, kamusta naman aking experience dito sa phone na ito? I would say okay siya, solid. It's probably one of the better improvement ni UMIDIGI through the years. And I've been following UMIDIGI for quite some time. I would honestly say na this phone is good. Lightweight siya, magandang feel niya sa likod, okay ang kanyang itsura. And probably the only thing dito sa kanya na probably hindi lang sobrang useful is yung kanyang double punch hole dito sa harap. I would say na night vision, I would rarely use a night camera during the night sa take a selfie, but it's just an additional na magagamit mo probably once in a blue moon. And I would say na siguro kung nilagyan na ng ultra-wide lens na lang itong isang kanyang camera module, might be better for me to let me take better groupies. Overall, the experience is good, camera is not so bad, and probably the downside dito is hindi ka lang makakapag-game na maayos kasi medyo hirap ang kanyang processor. Now guys, if you want to know kung saan pwede mabili ito, I'll be posting the official link on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a sub to this channel would definitely be awesome. I'll see you in my next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.